Hello, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to show you a platform that I use in my business every day, quite a lot. And as you can see on the screen, this is a platform which is called Missinglettr. This is mainly a social scheduler, meaning you can use it to create and schedule content on social media such as Facebook and on Twitter. There is one function that is great that a lot of people don't really know about, and I'm going to show you that right now. So, first of all, when you log into your account, you just need to go to campaigns. What we're going to do is we're going to use the AI to help us create a campaign from a piece of content, and it literally will take me a couple of minutes. So the first thing we need to do is we go on whichever website we would like to find an article for us to base everything on, and we just need to copy the URL. So this is the article that all of the social media posts are going to be based on. Yeah. So then you go in the bottom right hand side, you go on the blue plus here. You simply have to paste in your URL from the article that you would like to base everything on. You go to next, and then you can play around with the title if you want. It says here that you can create an empty campaign if you want to make all of the content yourself, but I'm going to do the auto one, which is using their AI. You can see here we have quite a lot of choices. So whether you want a shorter campaign, a longer campaign, if it's a blast, that will mean there's a lot of posts in a short amount of time. If it is evergreen, that means it's something you can basically post again and again and again. It's ongoing forever. I'm going to, in this one, do a 1 year evergreen. As soon as you click that, you can see that it will pop up and say that it is creating your new drip campaign. So while this is processing, as you can see, it says it will take up to 30 seconds. So while this is processing, I just want to say that I've left my affiliate link for this platform in the description, and if you're interested in trying out this platform, I would highly appreciate it if you could use my affiliate link. It helps me to make more videos like this. So I'll see you when the campaign is ready. Hello, welcome back. As you can see, the campaign is now ready because you can see it in the draft section. When you've actually finished everything and you have started to post it on your social media, it will then be in this active thing, and it will then show you when and what has been posted. And when you've finished setting it up, then it will go from a draft into a completed one. So when you see this, all you have to do is you have to click on the setup campaign option. So here you got three things basically that you need to organize. So if you click here, it will already show you a load of hashtags that they think you should be using. If there's any here that you don't really like, you can easily delete them like that. You could also add your own very easily by searching up here in the top left hand side, or adding them yourself. When you are happy with the hashtags, you then go to select media. So it's already automatically taken any of the images from the article. If there's any images here that you think aren't really suitable, then you just need to delete them. You can also add your own media here, and it includes using things like Unsplash, which is really good. And then when you're happy with all of that, you move on to the quotes. Now, this is the main thing. So the AI has basically taken what they think are the best lines that you could use in your campaign for your social media. So I would always read through these. And if there's any that you think are not very good, you can easily delete them, see? And then you see further down, these haven't really been added. I would read through these, and if there's any that you think are good, again, I would just add them. Really easy. It will only take you a couple of minutes. You can see that it's made rather a lot of options for you to choose from. Then, when you're happy with all of that, you just need to go to this button here on the bottom left-hand side where it says Build Campaign. And when you click on that, you'll see very soon, there you go. So, this is the campaign here. All that you have to do is use these arrows to go through each of them, just to make sure that each of them are something you'll be interested in. And you can see here that it tells you the day that it will be posted on. So this isn't something that will be posted every day. It's just an evergreen thing that will be over a year. So if you use this app every time that you have made an article, or if you basically set up a campaign for every article on your website, this would be more than enough content for you to use on your social media. And you can see that it adds a link back to the article, and it's included all of the hashtags. So there you go. That's how you well, the last thing I'll say is, obviously, when you're happy with all of that, you just need to go onto the launch campaign button over here, and then it will start showing you the things that are being posted and when they are being posted. So if we go here, and if we find it, we can basically on here view the campaign and see. So it will basically tell you the analytics of who has clicked on this and the amount of posts and everything like that. So I find that this is a really good function that I use virtually every day in my business. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and maybe I'll see you in the next one.